Kitchen and bath remodelers, are you tired of Facebook ads that just don't deliver results? Or frustrated with wasting money on campaigns that attract the wrong type of clients? Or even worse, no clients at all? Right, here's the truth. Facebook ads can work for your remodeling business, but success doesn't come from simply posting a pretty picture and hoping for the best. It comes from a clear, proven strategy, one that grabs the attention of the right audience, stops them in their tracks, and turns their interest into real high ticket clients. Right, in this video, we're going to be covering exactly why most remodelers fail when running Facebook ads, how to how to identify and target your ideal clients so that you're not wasting money on people who aren't even serious about remodeling, how to craft an irresistible offer that grabs the attention of people and makes it easy for them to take action right away. The secret to creating scroll stopping ads that stand out in a crowded feed, and how to track and optimize your ads daily to ensure that they consistently bring in high quality leads. Right. And whether you're wasting money on the wrong audience or struggling to get people to click or just not seeing results that you want, we'll dive into the exact steps that you need to take to fix that. Right. And by the end of this video, you're gonna have a clear, actionable step-by-step plan to turn Facebook ads into a powerful lead generation tool for your kitchen and bath remodeling business. Let's get right into it. The reason why most remodelers struggle with Facebook ads is because they don't have a clear plan, right? They go in blind running ads without understanding who they're actually targeting, what message will resonate, or how to actually convert clicks into paying customer. So this leads to frustration and misconception that Facebook ads just don't work, right? But the real issue isn't the platform; it's the strategy, a lack thereof. Right, maybe you've been there. You spent $1,000 on ads that resulted in a few leads, but either they ghosted you or they weren't the type of clients that you wanted. Maybe they're looking for like a cheap DIY solution instead of investing into a 20 or 50K kitchen remodel. Right, and that's not just frustrating, but that's disheartening, and it might make you question whether Facebook ads is even the right platform for your business. Right, and the truth is, Facebook ads can absolutely work for your kitchen and bath remodelers. Right, but the key is understanding that they're finished kitchen and just waiting for clients to win. Right, they're about creating a system, one that gets the right people to take action. And this means crafting a strategy that speaks to your ideal client, offering them valuable and following up effectively to turn interest in the booking. Right? And most remodelers fail because they don't approach Facebook ads with this mindset. Instead, they try generic approaches like like boosting posts, running ads without a clear target, or just sending traffic to their website without a specific landing page. Right? And these mistakes waste money and they fail to capture the attention of serious clients who are actually ready to get a remodeling job done. Right? And here's the kicker. Even if you're getting leads, they might not be the right leads. So imagine spending money on clicks only to get inquiries from renters, tire kickers, or people who aren't even ready to commit. Right? That's a sign that your ad is attracting the wrong audience, and it's a problem that can be fixed with the right strategy. Right? And to make Facebook ads more profitable, you need to focus on the fundamentals, targeting the right audience, a compelling offer, creating eye-catching ads, and following up quickly and professionally. And when you do this, you not only drive clicks, but you'll drive real results. And let's dive into how that. Right, when you do this, you'll not only drive clicks, but you'll drive real results. Right, so let's dive into exactly how that actually works and how to build out a system that delivers high quality leads consistently. Right, and by the end of this guide, you'll understand exactly how to set up Facebook ads that work for your kitchen and bathroom modeling business, and you'll have all the tools and the knowledge to avoid common pitfalls and create a predictable, scalable system for attracting clients who are excited to work with you. Right. So step one is understanding your audience. Right. Most remodelers they try to target everyone with their ads. Big mistake. Right. Think about your best clients. They're going to be homeowners likely between the age of 35 to 65 who live in neighborhoods with higher value homes. They're not going to be renters or people hunting for DIY solutions. They want professionals who can deliver quality work that enhances the value of their home. These homeowners often have specific motivators, and maybe they're embarrassed about their outdated kitchen and want a space where they can actually feel confident when hosting family gatherings. Right, or maybe they're planning to sell their home and know that a remodeled kitchen or bath is going to boost their property's value on the resale market. Right, and by understanding not only who your audience is, but also what drives them to consider a remodeling, you can create ads that speak directly to their needs and emotions. And once you understand who you're targeting, everyone else, your ad, your offer, everything else, your ad, your offer, your landing page becomes way more effective. Because the better that you know your audience, the more personalized and compelling your ads will feel. Right? And step number two is crafting an offer that actually grabs attention. Right? Crafting the irresistible offers is going to be the highest leverage thing that you can do. Right? And honestly, this is the most important thing when running Facebook ads because your offer is going to be the hook. It's going to be the reason why somebody stops scrolling through Facebook, half distracted by cat videos and memes, and actually stops and clicks. And without a strong offer, even the best ad creative or targeting is going to go out the window. It's not going to matter. Right? Your offer has to immediately answer the question, what's in it for me? And if you're just saying contact us for more information, that doesn't really give anyone a compelling reason to take action, right? But if you're offering something like a free kitchen design consultation, now you're actually solving a problem for them, right? And many homeowners feel overwhelmed at the thought of remodeling because they don't know where to start. And your offer can position you as an expert that makes the process a lot easier, right? So a great offer needs to create urgency as well. But if there's really no reason for them to take action now, people they're just gonna scroll past your ad and they're gonna think, maybe they'll see it later, maybe they won't, and they might just come back, but they're never gonna. Right, so adding a time limit like offer ends on Friday or limiting availability such as, you know, only for the first time homeowners this month is going to create a sense of urgency that motivates them to take immediate action. Right? The perceived value of your offer also is going to play a huge role. Right? Like a free 3D kitchen design sounds incredibly valuable, especially if you highlight that it's typically a $250 service. Right? And when people feel like they're going to get something of high value for free or a discount, they're far more likely to respond to your ad. Right? So think of your offer as like a lead magnet. It should attract the right people, which are homeowners who are serious about remodeling. It should repel the wrong ones, like bargain hunters and just broke people that you don't want to deal with. Right? So, and by clearly communicating exactly what your offer includes and why it's valuable and why they need to act now, you're going to be setting the stage for your success on Facebook ads. Right? And right here, I have 10 proven offers that are going to work for kitchen and bath remodeling. We could just go over them real quickly. Right? Free 3D design consultation, right? See your dream kitchen and bath before it's built. Schedule a free 3D consultation and visualize your perfect kitchen or bathroom makeover, and just book your free consultation today. Giving them $1,000 off their next remodel, right? These are really good offers. It really depends on what you're looking for. I'm gonna say that these two are gonna be the most powerful, but it is really gonna depend on what you're actually willing to give on the front end to acquire clients, right? So you can also give out, complimentary tile upgrades, limited time financing, free luxury package, quick remodel guarantee, home value assessment and remodel plan, a free smart home upgrade, referrals, and Pinterest perfect remodel at like a great price. Right? So these are going to be some winning offers that you can try on Facebook. Mix and match, see which one is really going to resonate for what your goals are when you're setting goals for ad campaigns on Facebook. But really just go through it, take some inspiration and really just take it from there. Right? And step 3 is going to be all about creating like a stop scrolling ad. Right? And let's be honest, most ads on Facebook they're boring. Right? They're a blurry picture, a weak caption, and they think that that's going to cut it, and it's not. Right? And if you want to make your ad and stand out on Facebook, then there are going to be a few things that you want to keep in mind. Right? Great visuals are essential, like high quality images or videos of your best work will instantly grab attention. Right? And if you're showcasing a transformation like a before and after on a kitchen remodel, that's even better because people love seeing what's possible. So your ad copy should connect with them emotionally. Instead of just listing like features like granite countertops, you need to describe the experience. Like you really want to paint the picture. Like imagine preparing meals in a kitchen that feels both beautiful and functional. Right? Right? This is going to paint a picture of something that resonates with their dreams. And also, so your headline is also going to hook them immediately. So something like, "Are you tired of your outdated kitchen? Let us help." And that's gonna be far more compelling than "We remodel kitchens." And finally, ending it with a clear call to action that's gonna tell them exactly what next steps to take is gonna be key for really converting these ads. right? And in here I have some free resources. I'm gonna drop this guide in the description, but I have some proven ad structures that they're gonna work. These are all proven. They're really like the skeleton formulas for the foundations of success that you're gonna have when running ad copies on Facebook. So really just taking these templates like who wants desired outcome in kitchen and bathroom modeling. You're gonna call out your market, location, right? You could just really just I'm not gonna go over all of them, but you could just take a look, see what works and what doesn't, and really just cycle out and always be testing new ads. Right. So I'm gonna have this free resource in the description as well. And yep, let me go back. Right. I'm also gonna have a swipe file of actual winning remodeling ads for kitchens. All right, and you can really just take a look, get some inspiration. Really, advertising it's not about reinventing the wheel. If you can find something that works and you can just take the foundations of that and apply it to what you're doing, it's gonna cut down so much time and instead of trying to find ads and copies that work. All right, so this one I really like, call out homeowners. I would say calling out like homeowners in a specific area. Like let's say that you're in Georgia. So let's say homeowners in Atlanta, and then call them out, go into your offer, have your scarcity, book a free session, and then really like a free gift voucher. It's the same thing as $1,000 off, but when you frame it in the way of it's a gift voucher, it's kind of like giving it. Like when you frame it in a way of $1,000 off, in the back of their mind is gonna be like, oh, okay, well, I have to buy it to get that discount. But when you frame it as like a voucher, and whenever they are ready to actually get a remodeling job done, it's like you're giving them to it. You're changing the frame. You, you're changing the frame of your offer, and it's the exact same cost on your end. But you're changing the frame, and you're making the perception of it a lot more enticing. Right, so really you could just go through these and, just really see what works and what doesn't, and take it from there, right? But once you actually do have an ad that, you think is gonna work, you already went through some ad copies that, you know, are proven and you really wanna just launch and see what works, right? That's gonna be when you start tracking and optimizing and really cutting the loser of every cycle of running ads. Right, so step 4 is gonna be tracking and optimizing your ads. Right, this is gonna be where you turn good ads into great ads. Right, because tracking isn't just about, glancing at the results and, it's really about understanding that what the data is telling you and using it to make informed adjustments. Right, so so you're gonna have to start by monitoring your click-through rates, which is your CTR. Right, and this metric is gonna tell you how well your ad is actually grabbing attention from people who are just scrolling on Facebook. So a low CTR means that your ad it's not compelling. It's not getting through you to your audience. It's not hooking them in, right? So if the CTR is low, you're gonna have to try, to test different images, videos, or headlines to see really what resonates with your audience. Or for example, a vibrant before and after photo might work better than a static shot of like a completed project, right? But that's gonna really be up to testing. I can't confirm anything because nobody knows. Even the best advertisers, no one knows. It's gonna be all data. You're gonna have to go out there. You're gonna have to take some risks. You're gonna see what the data tells you and make improvements on there. You're gonna keep an eye on your cost per lead, right? Because if your cost per lead is too high, that's gonna be a sign that something in your ad setup is just not working it's not working effectively. Right, so it can be that your targeting is too broad, leading to, wasting ad spend on unqualified leads, that your offer is just not enticing enough. Right, so really refining your audience and testing a more valuable offer is really gonna help bring the cost down on, your cost per lead. Conversion rates are another key metric to track, right? This is gonna show how many people who clicked on your ad actually took the time to take the desired action, such as filling out the consultation form. And if your conversion rate is low, it's gonna be on the landing page or in the conversion form, right? If it's not clear or easy to navigate, and if it's not consistent to what they saw in the ad, you're gonna lose people on that. So you're really wanting to make everything uniform in your ad, and even on the back end system, is gonna be a big lever to pull to actually keep people from going from seeing your ad to actually converting onto the lead form, right? And but like I said already, testing is going to be the name of the game when it comes to optimizing. So really using A/B testing to compare different versions of your ads and landing pages is going to be essential. Right? For instance, you can test whether a video ad outperforms a photo ad or a headline focus on luxury resonates more with a focus, right? And you can test whether a video ad actually outperforms a photo ad or whether a headline focused on luxury is going to resonate more than one focus on affordability. Right, but finally, tracking results over time and after looking at patterns, the data is gonna tell you everything that you need to know and exactly where you're gonna wanna make changes to your advertising efforts, right? And there are gonna be certain days of the week or sometimes months where some ads are gonna perform better than others, right? And really knowing what zip codes and what the fuck, right? And finally, track results over time and actually look for patterns. Right, and finally, track results over time and look at patterns. Like, are there certain days of the week or times of the day when your ad actually performs better? Are there specific zip codes or demographics that convert more frequently? Really using these insights to refine your targeting in your budget allocation is going to be a big lever to pull even to really squeezing the juice out of your advertising. Right? So optimization though is going to be an ongoing process, but the effort is always going to be worth it because each tweak is going to bring you closer to a system that consistently drives high quality leads for your business. Right? So in conclusion, turning clicks into clients, mastering Facebook ads for your kitchen and bathroom modeling business is not about luck, it's about strategy. And by, really understanding your audience, crafting irresistible offers, designing scroll stopping ads, and targeting the right people and tracking your results, you can transform Facebook into a very powerful lead generation tool for your business, right? And these steps are going to be designed to work together as a system. So you're not just spending money on ads, but you're actually investing in a predictable and scalable growth system for your business. Right, but here's the thing. Strategies evolve, platforms update, and competition never rests. Right, and that's why staying ahead requires continuous learning and access to the latest tools and techniques. Right, so you don't have to figure this out alone because there's a community that can help you reach the next level when you're advertising on Facebook. If you're serious about growing your kitchen and bathroom modeling business, I invite you to join the Kitchen and Bath AI Mastermind School community, right? Because in this school community, you'll connect with like-minded remodelers, have access to advanced AI-driven marketing insights, and get a step-by-step guidance to optimize your ad campaigns. Right? This isn't just a community; it's your unfair advantage in the competitive market. Right? So don't let the frustration of ineffective ads hold you back any longer. Let's turn your remodeling expertise into a lead-generating machine. Right, so join the Kitchen and Bath AI Mastermind School community and let's build your dream business today. The link is going to be in the description. This was how to run kitchen and bath remodeling Facebook ads, and I hope to see you guys inside. Bye bye.